Good morning, afternoon, evening, whatever time you're watching this. Welcome back to Bruce's channel. Today talking about Fusion 360 models. Well, I'm really searching around on Facebook, so I saw this cat sharing in the Fusion 360 site and people friends there. So before I checking others workflow, I'm trying to record down what is my workflow. If I saw this model, people ask me to do this kind of geometry repeat. Well, first thing of workflow, definitely first thing is to analyze it. What is this shape? So basically you can see the shadow behind it. You know it is square. Well, and you see three patterns. So yeah, the keywords patterns and square. Well, the first thing is I believe is find out what is the full size of the square. So when you have 20 round here, so I guess this one is now is from here to here 60, so you plus 20 because 110 and here the space should be 10 as well, so it's 20 20 20. Well, 6 plus 20 90, sorry 80, sorry 6 7 8 80. Okay, so what we do is start from a sketch. Well, come on, look at that. I don't want 3D sketch now. I do parameters and I put 80 80. Okay, this is the square. And then I need to bring back the full screen. Well, this is the side, and then look at this is 20 again, so I make a 20 square here, and I know this 20 is the space that got the size of this one should be 10, so I'm using offset 2 to get the 10. So I have no, wait a minute, so this one from here to here 60, so the square I'm making wrong. This one should be, I press X for the line, this is, and I need to create another box. This one is should be 60 and then 60. Yeah, and I have this offset 10. It should look like this. So of course I want to create 30 30. Why? Because I want to get this. Of course I can create two boxes here, but it doesn't matter. This one I can just ignore. Well, now I got this profile in sharp, so I can use the fillet tools here for 20. Here we're automatic to 10. See? Well, if not automatic, then we just change the number. That doesn't matter. Well, now oh yeah, it will be automatic because I'm using offset 2. That's why. If this is not different, you can't use the offset 2. You might create two boxes. Well, now I have this profile. This is the 10 thickness, so I to extrude 10. I just type 10. Okay, that is the fastest way to do so. And I unhide the sketch. So then now I have this one, extrude to extrude again, and there should have like 1 2 3 40, I guess, or no, actually it's 50 with 6. Yeah, because you need plus the thickness of this, so it's 50. So look back to the drawing. It's almost look like that already. Ding 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 ding. Yeah, it's the thing. So the next step a little bit tricky, but I don't want to be that tricky, so I go back to the first sketch. I remove the X, so make it to be solid. Well, I'm going to make a square 80. New bodies. Well, these bodies I'm going to use it as a tools. Of course you can actually do another way. I think there's many way, but because I want to do the pattern, so I use this box. If this is the correct one, so I can just sketch another anyway. I will sketch back the same face, well, and use a 3D sketch. I point this one to this one because these are the patterns. I'm doing this. I am doing this to here. Finish sketch. Now the tools body no use anymore. Next step is to use the patterns, circular patterns. Select the bodies and come on, take away. Select the axis 3. Dun. Oh, I got a mistake. I should put 60. So come back to the drawing, put 60 here. Connected, and make sure the 3 body is connected. Done. They become one bodies now. And hide on the sketch. Is that right? Is that right? Well, yeah, this is the way. Okay, this is my workflow. It's done. Today's video is up to here. Well, thank you for watching. If you think this helpful or you got any suggestion workflow, I will watch it definitely in the group as well. And if you think you got any suggestion to share with me and can talk, you can let me know in the comment and give me a like and subscribe. It would be helpful. See you next video. Bye. Oh, forget one thing. Happy Chinese New Year, 恭喜发财, and see you next video. Bye.